Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this candy cake together for Christmas. Here I have my 2 eggs. So I'm just going to add my sugar and I stir a little bit before I continue adding the rest ingredients. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients, guys. Children love it, of course. This is Christmas. I add my milk into the bowl. I stir also. So all Now I add my flour, I add my baking powder also. I'm going to stiff everything together. So when I finish with that, I just mix everything together as demonstrating on the video. I'm going to add my oil on it now. I just add my oil and I will mix together again. Now I'm going to add my candy. I add my candy here, so I'm just going to mix together and pour it into my pan. This cake will go to oven for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, guys. So I just put butter on the pan. So I'm just rubbing the butter on the pan to be easy where the cake is already baked. Here I have my cake. I'm going to pour it into the pan. That is what I'm doing right now, guys. If you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Let's continue, guys. Our cake is ready, guys. Look how beautiful it is. It looks yummy, right? Tell me if the children will not love this. Of course, then we love it. This is holiday period. You can make it for the children. Let's see what we have inside, guys. Wow. It's really, really, really amazing. Let's bring it out and see what we have inside. Wow, look at the smoke that is coming out from the cake. Oh my God. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.